What a fantastic goal. Two goalkeepers in the net, you wouldn't save that one.
A quick look up, a right foot shot, and that is arrowed underneath the crossbar. That's a stupendous goal.
Well, you take a tap in these circumstances. What you have seen is as good as anything the competition has produced in this and many a season.
You don't need me to explain it. Just watch this. Let the pictures tell you everything. This is special.
Brilliant goal! What an equaliser!
What a stunner! An absolutely fantastic goal, but no more than we've come to expect.
He slides it left to the goalkeeper who can't see it till very, very late. Surely.
Oh, what about that? That was really special.
Those are the moments that supporters will remember.
Nice strike! Oh, better than nice! Wonderful!
You need someone to stand up and be counted, to pull an absolute rabbit from a hat.
Well, take a bow, son. I mean that, take a bow. You have been immense. If anyone ever doubted your value to your side, you have just blown it away with the most incredible equaliser.